All right, those are just my mandarin oranges. Coming in with some dark chocolate chips and a few semi-sweet chocolate chips just to fill this out. We're gonna put a few mini marshmallows in here, just like this. We're making a super fun, easy dessert today. Mandarin oranges, good luck for the Chinese New Year. Alrighty, I'm gonna set this aside for just a second here, bring in my mixing bowl. Now to this, I'm bringing in 1, 2, and 3 eggs. 2/3 cup water, 1/2 cup vegetable oil. Perfect. All right, let's give this a little mixy mix here. Y'all, we have made different versions of this dessert before, but I love the idea of using the mandarin oranges for this. I think it goes perfectly. Like I said, the Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year starts today if you're watching this, and this is the perfect way to celebrate. All right, I've just got my vanilla cake mix here. We're just adding that in. Use whatever cake mix you like. I'm just trying this one that was on sale.
Okay.
Y'all, I grabbed a spatula because I thought I needed a spatula to mix this, and Marty was like, why didn't you use that whisk? And the answer is, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm making it up as I go.
You made it. Like
You could use a yellow cake mix for this. Even if you had a spice cake mix in your cabinet, I think that could be really good too. Could you see the spice with the oranges, Marty?
Definitely.
Yum. Alrighty, I'm bringing back in my mandarin oranges here. And we're gonna pour our beautiful batter all on top. Ooh, y'all, I am excited for this. I think you're really, really going to like it. And I love chocolate with oranges. You know, in the, at Christmas time when you get those oranges that are chocolate flavored. You know what I'm talking about, Marty?
Kind of. Yeah.
You like bang them and then they break into pieces?
Oh, maybe I don't.
Oh. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? You like bang them down, right? And then they separate into pieces. But it's literally like an orange made out of chocolate. Beautiful. All right, I'm just gonna give this a little tiny spread here to kind of seal up that bottom liquid layer there. Kind of reminds me of like the Titanic when the water gets in the bottom. All right, I've got some canned mandarin oranges now. Woo! These are in light syrup, but of course get water, got the ones in water, get whichever ones you like. Ooh, a few more in there. I'm gonna kind of give these guys a little spread. Oh, my mandarins or cuties had no seeds, and I just caught a seed in this, in a few of these, but you know what? That's okay.
We'll return them.
Return them to the ground after you eat them and pull them out of your teeth. Now we've got our orange Jell-O. We did not need the family size, but that's all they had at Target when I went there earlier, and I was looking for orange Jell-O. So I'm using about half of this to provide a little coverage here right on top. Alrighty, and I've just got 1 cup of cold water. Marty's absolutely looking at me with that Jell-O like I was insane. But you guys, I know this is gonna be really good. I've done this with other fruits before, and I thought in honor of the Lunar New Year, how great would it be to do it with mandarin oranges? Yummy. All right, y'all, I'm baking this at 325 for about 30 minutes. I'll let you know the exact time. Check that out. Beautiful. Can't wait. Alrighty, y'all. We ended up having to bake this a little longer than we were expecting because of how juicy and delicious those mandarin oranges were inside. Now, ours is not cool. If you wanted to do some Cool Whip on the top, if you let this cool down, I think that could be really, really delicious. You could serve this with some ice cream, but I am just gonna come in here and grab, oh yes, look at that. I'm using a scooper You can kind of see like the whole texture of it with the mandarin oranges, that jello top, the marshmallow, a little bit of chocolate. I love chocolate and orange. And I cannot wait, y'all, to take a taste of this. I think this is gonna be absolutely delicious. Oh, it's hot. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, Lunar New Year, it's the year of the horse. Time for a fresh start, and you gotta make this sweet treat. You gotta try it.